Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce a brand new feature called the sticker box. With this feature, you can upload a photo and quickly receive 9 sticker images based on the uploaded photo, neatly arranged in a 3x3 grid. For example, if you upload a sample photo of a girl, it can generate creative stickers featuring her character. Or if you choose a sample photo of a dog, you get an adorable set of dog-themed stickers. Of course, you can also upload a brand new IP image like a simple sketch of an original character. The software will convert it into stickers. Just wait for a moment and it will generate stickers that revolve around this IP. Then you can share them with your community or customers. Additionally, you can upload an image of an anime or a two-dimensional character. For instance, the software can generate stickers based on that female character's design from a game. Naturally, you can try out the sticker box with even more characters. Switch to another anime character, wait briefly, and you'll see pretty impressive results as well. Hope you'll enjoy the sticker box feature. See you next time.